Hi, I'm Marco and we have a new solution from Morek. Today we are talking about one of the easiest and affordable way how to connect big cable to the electrical cabinet. So these are two single grommets, smaller and larger for large cables, and they come with stainless steel cable tightener. So all you need to do is just cut next to the predefined line according to your cable diameter. So now all you need to do is just fasten the stainless steel cable tie, like this. The stainless steel cable tie is really tough. It's stronger than will of the 3-year-old child, so it won't break, I can guarantee that. And it also gives you IP66 for the cable entry.